Meanwhile, after a massive farm loan waiver, round-the-clock power supply in the state of Uttar Pradesh is the next top priority for the new Chief Minister. The Uttar Pradesh Cabinet today decided to ensure 18-hour power supply to villages, 20-hour at the tehsil level and 24 hours at the district headquarters. Announcing major relief for sugarcane farmers, the Cabinet announced that their pending dues worth 4,000 crore rupees will be cleared within 120 days and subsequent payments will then be made within the next 14 days. It's the first cabinet meeting Yogi Adityanath waived farmer loans worth over 36,000 crore rupees.
ग्रामीण आंचल को 18 घंटे बिजली मिलेगी। जो तहसील पर हमारे मुख्यालय हैं उनको 20 घंटे बिजली मिलेगी। बुंदेलखंड के जो लोग हैं उनको 20 घंटे मिलेगी और जिला जो मुख्यालय है हमारे वहां 24 घंटे बिजली मिलेगी। नवरात्रों में सभी शक्तिपीठों पर 24 घंटे बिजली पहुंचे। रामनवमी पर सभी धार्मिक स्थलों पर 24 घंटे बिजली पहुंचे। और फैसला हमारी सरकार ने किया है गन्ना किसानों से संबंधित, उसमें यह सुनिश्चित किया जाए कि गन्ना किसानों को जो हमने तय किया है अविलंब जो पूर्व का भुगतान है वो 120 दिन के अंदर हो और वर्तमान जो उनका भुगतान है वो 14 दिन के अंदर हो और उसमें अगर कहीं कोई लापरवाही बरती गई तो उनके खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई भी की जाएगी।
लगातार अच्छे काम ही नहीं किए जा रहे हैं, ठीक प्रकार से पूरी सरकार परिश्रम भी कर रही है और इसका परिणाम जनता को भी महसूस होने लगा है। बहुत बड़े बड़े गड्ढे खोद करके पिछली सरकारों ने जो तैयार किए थे उसको पाटने में थोड़ा समय जरूर लगेगा, लेकिन सब अच्छा करेंगे और उत्तर प्रदेश में राम राज्य जैसा सुख मिले ऐसा प्रयास करेंगे।
Let's go straight across now to India Today's Maushmi for more on this. Maushmi, pothole-free roads, loan waiver and now 18 hours power supply to Uttar Pradesh villages. Yogi Adityanath is clearly a man on a mission, isn't he?
That's right. Yogi Adityanath has actually minced no words about the fact that the focus of this government is the common man. And that's why if you see the first cabinet meeting and the second cabinet meeting, as the ministers say that they have been people-oriented decisions, decisions for the welfare of the common man. So you have a pothole-free road on the agenda. You have power supply on the agenda, a power for all MOU being signed between the centre and the state government on the 14th of April. 15 June is the target for pothole-free roads. If you talk about the farmers, the sugarcane farmers have been given some relief. Yogi Adityanath has made it clear that if there is a shortage of electricity as per the roster that has been fixed, then erring officials will actually be asked and questioned, and they might be action against erring officials if there is if there is a note about that.
Okay.
So a strict message by the Yogi government in terms of students' welfare, in terms of the poorest of the poor,
right.
The last man on the line. So somewhere or the other, the government also knows that there are huge amount of expectations from the people, and they want to actually toe the line, the agenda of common welfare.
All right, Maushmi Singh there. Thank you so much for joining us.